This Photoshop script plays Tetris. Let's go. Let's go.
I think it's great that I have no artistic ability to explore. But on the other hand, art is a really abstract term.
Is this alpha humor? Is this what alpha humor is? Because I haven't quite caught up to what we're talking about yet, but I believe that I just had an aneurysm. Am I having some skibidi riz going on right now? The fuck is this? Anyways, let's keep on going. Let's get that riz on our face.
Do you know what it's like to be reduced to? Imagine one day you're on top of the f***ing world working on next-gen Half-Life 3 levels, and the next moment you get switched over to productivity scripting. Photoshop scripting.
Really? Only 187 pages of documentation? No, it's not like I wanted to get anything done today anyway. Oh, look.
You can script Photoshop? In what looked like ActionScript. Oh, yeah. Of course, it's ActionScript 3 or something like that, right?
Really? Only 187
Right.
pages of documentation? No,
Right.
it's not like...
Oh, is this C#? Oh, yeah, it is C#. Look, .cs. This is Microsoft Visual Studio. This is not even Visual Studio Code. This is Visual Studio. Damn, I feel bad for this guy. I feel horrible for him. Not only has he clearly gone insane, he's programming in Visual Studio.
Like I wanted to get anything done today anyway. Oh, look. I can draw a square.
I think that would have been a great sign to stop.
Can
No.
we draw multiple squares?
No, it's not a great sign. This is good. By the way, I hate almond-styled squirrely braces. Just for 1 second, can we all just universally agree that almond-styled squirrely braces are the worst? Can we just can C# just come to the table and sit down for 1 second and just stop with the almond style?
Oh, that is slow. Adobe.
10 polygons a second. We're not even talking about frames yet. You can't just expect a graphics engineer to be okay with that.
You know what? Smaller squares is the answer. Oh, you piece of... The selection function is pretty slow. New plane. Just gonna put down 3 dots. Just 3 dots.
No way it's that slow. You cannot tell me that a piece of where's the cornflower blue? I would agree there was no cornflower blue, which is obvious. The man does not respect his traditions. Okay, I didn't see a teapot, and I did not see cornflower blue, which is triggered, absolutely triggered. But I can't believe it's that slow. Really? Okay. Oh, well, real question. Why do you feel so strong about K&R? Oh, white space. I just find that there's just so much space in my editor because the reality is there's a reason why I only use one window at a time and all this is because your ability to focus is like 3 lines. And so when there's a bunch of blank lines, I just find that to be much harder. This is a great visual indicator to know where the thing ends. I don't really care where it starts because this is where it starts. And so just adding this provides no value other than white space, and I don't want white space. Your ability to focus, no, humanity itself. You literally can't even your vision can't even focus beyond a certain space. You have to try extremely hard to look at start round, and I can't even read I cannot read what's going on up here. I know what's general. I know that there's string, and then a bunch of properties. It would be hard for me to say that that's actually common, but staring at this thing, right? I'm staring right at this S. Your ability to focus is not, I can only pattern recognize. You can't actually focus. This is a well-known, well-studied phenomenon. Don't even try that. People are like, oh, I can. No, you can't. Like, either you are actually the Clark Kent of humans, or you can't. That's why I just don't like white space. So white space, I white space ideas, right? This is an idea. This is an idea. This is an idea. This is an idea, right? I like significant white space around ideas. You can only do it when you first wake up. I'm not even sure if that's what?
Holy balls, that was fast. How many dots can I draw at once?
Also doesn't help that I may have more optimism than I should.
If that took...
That's actually a great quality. I've never seen a problem that I didn't think I could do given enough time and effort. which has meant that I've done a lot of stupid stuff. But nonetheless, it's great.
Half a second. Then we're doing 2 frames a second at worst. I think we just found our answer. Turn the dots into squares and put in a game loop.
Productivity is an abstract term.
Oh, I'll show you some job rotation. Yeah, you like that? I'll show you some personnel collision.
I'm starting to like this kid. I'm starting to like this kid too. I'm still stuck on the fact that you turned dots into squares and he solved his problem. Okay, I can't actually stop thinking about this. Oh, I love this. This is so good.
Is no joke. A lot like taking a hot dump. You just keep slapping it on, keep ripping it out. In the end, you look back, you just hope you're the one with the biggest pile.
I stopped it on the actual butthole. He's not wrong. He's not wrong. It's real. I mean, honestly, I can tell you the grossest code bases I've ever seen have been produced by what people thought were the best programmers. And it really was just the fact that somehow the shit pile turned into something that worked. And that's that. Is this Dune? I thought this was Dune, but there's no teeth. I'm very confused by this.
Hello. Why not learn Photoshop the way it's meant to be? Let your inner artistry blossom into the butterfly it deserves to be. And that's why this message is brought to you by absolutely nobody. Do negligible reward sequence. Do unforgiving failure sequence.
Pringles. Doritos.
Alpha humor is real strange, though. Okay, I mean, I can see part of myself enjoying this, but at the same time, not gonna lie to you, feeling a little weird, okay? Feeling something weird on the inside. I feel like I've officially achieved Skibidi Riz.
You're good at this. Oh, yeah.
Whoosh. Whoosh. Boof. Boof. Whoosh, 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 whoosh. Boof.
Oh, yeah.
I just don't.
Okay, that was good. The oh yeah was really, really good. I really hope that he put something special in. By the way, bro is terrible at Tetris. Like, just god awful at Tetris. Yo, pick up your Tetris. How do you have... How do you even accidentally create that? Oh yeah, show us how good you are at Tetris. Better than that, I'll tell you that much.
Don't like the idea of slapping my name on every GitHub repo just so that more contract jobs can find me. Ladies and gentlemen,
oh my gosh. I realized where Alpha Humor came from. Oh my gosh. Balloon Shop did this to us. Olin Rogers is to blame. Right after this, I'm going to show you. Balloon Shop. Balloon Shop did this to us.
I present you the most abstract script in Photoshop productivity.
Yeah, I want to see it.
Oh, hey there, good looking.
Whoosh.
Again, what, dude? The man may be a wizard at Photoshop, but damn, he's bad at Tetris. Look at this move. What?
See, the trick to this game is to just
Doritos.
forget about the pile of it and move on. Like, you see the pile on the bottom? Not even gonna look at it. Oh, look, I just moved the bar up again. Oh no, I'm drowning.
Oh no.
I can't help but feel that this game's trying to tell me something.
You're good at this.
Did you hear that? He says I'm good at this. Photoshop, but it's also Tetris.
You suck.
Okay, I'm bored.
The ending. Oh, I'm so triggered. I am so triggered right now at the ending. I can't even fathom a world in which you didn't even save it. Like, just doesn't even save the game at the end. It's gone.
Hello? Yes, I can't come in today because I'm sick. Of you? No, I'm just kidding. I'll come right there. Bye.
That was great. Kevin, I enjoyed whatever that was. I don't know what that was, but I really, really enjoyed that. You're perturbed. I'm perturbed too. I'm feeling something I haven't felt. This is postmodern humor. Yeah, this is postmodern humor. Damn, video's 4 years old. Yeah, it's original. It's some of the original alpha humor right there. Very perturbed. I'm perturbing. We're perturbing right now. All right, let me try to find this. I believe I want to. It's Balloon Shop. Okay, I mean, this is kind of the start of it, is I'm listening to my radio. That's kind of the start of it. But there's one. Oh, Pop-Tart. This is the original alpha humor right here, I feel like.
Hey, man. Olin.
Dude, Thomas, want to go to the club with Olin and me?
Hey, no thanks, man. I'm pretty broke. And I've got some homework I need to finish. Hey, man, you're such a loser. Why would you say that?
We never do anything.
I can't help that. We are no longer young whipper snapper.
Whip, snap.
Whipper snapper.
Whip, snap. Whip. Whip, snap, snapper. Purse.
Hey, man, we never do anything. I can't be going out every night. Willy-nilly.
Willy-nilly.
We are getting older. Responsibility for our lives. High time. You're right. It's about time I take control. High time. I am so proud of you and you.
Whip, snap. Whip, snap, purse.
I am so proud of you and you.
1.6 million views 15 years ago. This is really funny. What the fuck? Yeah. Balloon Shop is the original ones. 15 years ago was like 100 years ago. This is the original Skibidi Riz right here. Best era of YouTube. I know. Okay, Boomer. What do you mean, okay, Boomer? I don't even know how to like process what I just watched. 15 years ago is almost 2010. It's 2009. Brymogen is so old. Damn, he's old. Yeah, I'm old. If liking that is being a boomer, I'm all in. Yep, welcome to being a boomer, everybody. Hey, the name is the geriatric gen.